WD Black 8TB SN850P for PS5. Game hard, load fast, store more, cry less, now with built-in chill. Ready to break up with storage anxiety? The WD Black 8TB SN850P NVMe SSD is here to rescue your PS5 from the "which game do I delete next" struggle. Officially licensed for PlayStation 5, this monster drive delivers up to 8 TB of blazing fast storage, letting you keep up to 200 full-size titles installed at once. Say goodbye to the shuffle game and hello to uninterrupted play. It's plug-and-play easy, with a sleek, pre-installed PS5 optimized heatsink, so you'll spend less time reading manuals and more time dominating digital battlefields. This isn't just storage, it's a cheat code for serious gamers. What makes it better than the rest? For starters, it hits speeds up to 7,200 megabytes per second, making lags and load screens feel like ancient history. Designed specifically for PS5's M.2 slot, the exclusive PlayStation-branded heatsink keeps things cool under pressure, no need for extra fans, no risk of meltdown during marathon sessions. And forget about transferring games back and forth. You can play directly from the SSD with zero performance drop. Most drives talk the talk, but the SN850P walks the walk in turbo boots. If you're rocking a PS5, this drive isn't optional, it's essential. Still hesitating? This bad boy comes with a 1-month trial of PlayStation Plus Premium Deluxe, so you can dive headfirst into Sony's massive game catalog the moment it's installed. Plus, installation takes under 5 minutes, faster than most bathroom breaks, and it includes all the screws you need. It's so easy, even your non-gamer roommate could set it up blindfolded. No compatibility issues, no firmware drama, just open the box, plug it in, and you're off to the races. It's WD Tech meets Sony style, a match made in digital heaven. Now, let's talk value. You're not just buying storage, you're buying future-proof peace of mind. Think about it. 8 TB of NVMe Gen 4 storage, officially licensed and engineered to perform, is a long-term investment that pays for itself and saves time, less hassle, and no more choosing between God of War and Call of Duty. Unlike other drives that might overheat, glitch, or choke under pressure, the SN850P is battle-tested, fan-loved, and built to last. With zero lag, insane speed, and effortless compatibility, you're getting elite performance without the elite-level headaches. The WD Black 8TB SN850P is not just another SSD. It's a game saver, rage quencher, and lag slayer all rolled into one stylish black beast. It's fast. It's cool. It's huge. It's the drive that turns your PS5 into a bottomless entertainment pit with zero compromises. Whether you're crushing tournaments, streaming cutscenes, or hoarding digital collectibles, this SSD brings the thunder. Durable, dependable, and designed to slay, it's time to stop deleting and start conquering. Load faster, play harder, never delete again. Game over for slow storage. This is how you upgrade like a legend.